Hi everybody, welcome to Brains on the Beat. If you guys are new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So in today's video, I want to talk about Susane Bogle, and she's a disabled woman that was shot and killed. So let's get into this story. Sunset, May 27, 2020. A 44-year-old disabled woman shot dead in her house by members of the Security Forces, JDF. With fresh allegations of a soldier killing a 44-year-old disabled woman in August Town, St. Andrew on Wednesday, the Jamaica Defense Force is coming under the radar after a rise in reports of assaults and other criminal conduct. Up to May 28 this year, the Independent Commission of Investigation, INDECOME, commenced probes into at least 18 incidents involving the JDF. The watchdog, which has oversight responsibility for investigating police and army excess, probed 15 incidents for all of 2019. Checks by the Gleaner have unearthed. The revelation could resurrect concern about the Jamaican government's increasing reliance on military muscle in quelling runaway crime, imposing state of emergency and zones of special operations in nearly half of the country's 19 police divisions. Human rights activists have long warned that the militarizing of crime suppression might ultimately undermine civilian security because soldiers undergo specialized training in full-throttle combat. Okay. Family and friends of Susane Bogle, the disabled woman who was shot inside her 2 Bryson Road home shortly before 3 p.m. by a soldier during police military operation, is demanding answers and a swift and thorough investigation. Grace Kellington, mother of the deceased, said that she became suspicious when on her arrival at the crime scene she was being consoled by members of the security. A soldier shoot her cause the soldier man a ball. The soldier man a ball say the wrong somebody them shoot. Feckleton told the Gleaner Wednesday evening. 2 soldiers when them come out and them a walk go down, so them a cry. Them said 3 shots she get. 3 shots? Feckleton, who did not witness the shooting herself, said she had left her daughter in her room. Residents reported that the soldier had chased someone into the building. The Gleaner understands that at least 3 other disabled persons live in the yard with Bogle. So she is allegedly killed by JDF soldiers. With everything that's going on, I see people comparing this to everything that's going on in the United States with George Floyd and racism and their unrest. Honestly, don't do it because it's not the same. And I'm going to tell you why it's not the same. They didn't shoot her because of her skin color. They didn't shoot her because of how she looked. They didn't shoot her because they think that she's a threat because she's a black woman. It's allegedly an accident, and the INDECOME is actually investigating. What I want to say, however, though, is a lot of people are angry and a lot of people want answers, and I feel like they're entitled to get those answers. But a lot of these people protect these bad man and gunman in them community, and when stuff like this happen is when they want to speak out. So in order for you to get justice, you have to stand by the people in your community that are there doing good, and the people that are not doing good needs to come out. All they're doing in your community, if they're doing bad, is being a liability and of no help to you or your family. Look how this woman in her bed and she got killed because they were trying to hunt down somebody else. That's sad. That's really sad, and condolence goes to the whole Bogle family that knew her, that knew of her and everything, because this is very sad. One thing I want to point out though is a lot of people want justice when it hits their front door. They want justice when it affects them directly and not when it affects other people. If you want justice for your family, you need to want justice for everyone's family. And that is the issue that Jamaican people have. They don't have an issue with something until it knocks at their front door. Another thing I have a problem with is how people want justice now, but INDECOME was set up to do a specific job, and they made sure that INDECOME got crippled and can't do their jobs properly. And I'm going to read one of this. It says, the situation with George, may his soul rest in peace, and Susane, may her soul rest in peace, are totally two different scenarios. The incident with Miss Susane is between soldier and police, armed security forces, and gunmen who say that the bullets are from either the JDF, JCF, the security forces, or the gunman. I know the security is tedious, Sender, but please be logical. You can totally determine and confirm that her death was caused by a specific person or team. I'm sure if there is foul play in her death, INDECOME is currently investigating. Don't be so quick to fight the justice system when we all know that there are so many gunmen in our country, and that is facts. Justice for Susane Bogle starts with her community pushing out the man where the police them did a rundown. And why is your community so quiet? Because it's their son, brother, and man. The big one I want to read is Kismeti. Where were you when they crippled INDECOME? No protest or anything. It's our main hope for justice. Only see one be glad and say police can't work now, but now everybody depend on them when shit hits the bucket. Anyways, justice needs to be served, and I completely agree. When they crippled INDECOME, okay, by allowing INDECOME not to be able to prosecute JCF and JDS soldiers, a lot of people were saying, no, the police, them can't do them job, no, them can't do what them need to do. But now everybody's depending on INDECOME to find justice. How does that work? They're only one oversight body, and there's only so much that they can do, because they crippled them by passing that law. And a lot of people and a lot of officers would be glad if INDECOME be dismantled. And these are the reasons why INDECOME can't be dismantled. And I'm a big supporter of INDECOME and what they do for Jamaica's people, because without them, there would be so much abuse of power. We've seen it time and time and time again. So one thing I need to say to my people is that don't be quick to judge and stop comparing racism in America to accidents in Jamaica, because it's not the same. People are not getting killed because of the color of their skin in Jamaica. Most of our police are black man and black woman. Most of our citizens are black man and black woman. It's not the same. Also, if you want justice for people, make sure that you want justice for all people, not just when shit hits the fan and it's knocking at your door. Also, if you want justice, you need to support oversight bodies like INDECOME that actually do a very hard job in investigating people like the JDF, the JCF, and other oversight bodies that do jobs like this. Anyways, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave your comments in the comment section below. Condolence goes to Susane Bogle and to 15 other people that was killed in Jamaica since Thursday. I need to do a video on that. My energy have been off so that is why you guys haven't been getting videos and updates and stuff. But like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.